Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate an Instagram account. First of all, open Instagram. Click on profile icon from bottom. Go into settings and privacy. Scroll down in settings and go into help. Click on help center. Then click on menu from here. After that, click on Manage your account. From here, click on Delete your account. Click on Android App Help. Then choose Mobile Browser Help. Now click on Delete your account. Give a reason why you are deleting your account. Then click on Temporarily deactivate your account. Click on Privacy Concerns as the reason to deactivate. Enter your account password. Then click on Temporarily deactivate account. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.